Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about is the Luminessence Unscented Tealight candles, the 16 pack of white. Okay, yeah, these are a man's best friend if you are, say, on your anniversary or you want schmooze up your wife for her birthday or a honeymoon or at any time, any kind of time where you feel that you need to be romantic. Okay, I mean you can't beat the tea light candles for that. I mean, and you get like a pack of these. In one pack comes 16 little candles just like this, and you can put them all over the place. Yes, I mean, take like what I do is, I mean, there's no aroma, there's no scent at all that comes from these. What you do is, I mean, I'm glad in one pack they give you like a bunch because it kind of sets the scene. Yeah, so what I do is I'll take a bunch of these and I'll set them all over the room, like just everywhere. Depends on, the occasion, of course, on Valentine's Day or whatever. You're sitting all over the place with some nice music going on in the background or real soft romantic stuff going. Shut the lights off and then lead her into the room and watch her go, oh, wow. Yeah. You can't beat the tea lights for that. I mean, it's just perfect for that. I mean, it's really, really nice. I mean, the long candles, the big ones, the big fat ones, or that one look like cans and stuff, with the little wick on the top. If you had like a bunch of those in there, it may look a little like you're about to have a seance or do some kind of a witchcraft or something. I don't know. But these do it right, because mostly all you really see is a bunch of little flames all over the room. And it gives you that feeling of like, I don't know, it's like looking up at the sky at night with all the stars, It's very romantic and women just really like it a lot. I specifically bought these candles. I mean, it's not the first time I've bought these for that, but I bought these specifically for a romantic evening and to use them for that kind of situation. You don't have to use them for that. I mean, candles that burn like this are nice anyway. Sometimes you just want to burn a nice candle and make the house look nice or something. Turn the lights down low and just have the little candles flickering all over it. My wife does that all the time. But when I use them, this is what I use them for, because I mean, this is you want the occasion to be special and you want to set the scene, and this does that. Guys, you can't beat it. You have to have the candles. There's something about candlelight that really, really makes women swoon, and this is what I use it for. It really works. Like I said, I'm glad it comes so many in a pack. This is a 16 in a package here, and it's really good. Yeah, and I suggest using absolutely all of them. All of them, all over the room in one shot. Yeah, and remember, you gotta turn them off, okay? Don't leave the room or after your little evening rendezvous or whatever you're doing is over. Make sure you blow them out and, don't leave them burning, because that could be very dangerous. But yeah, these are really good, and I've been kind of doing this for quite a few years now. My wife's come to expect it probably, and that's fine by me. I mean, I know each time it makes her feel really nice using these. They burn really well. It's really easy to light each candle, and they last a long time. They don't burn out in like 30 minutes or anything. You can leave these like this and it will burn for a good while, and it will be sufficient amount of time for you to, you know, swoon your wife, or, you know, just make her feel special. You know, it's really romantic, and it really gives you a really nice feeling to see this. It sets the scene, and presentation is everything. All right, well, today we're talking about the Luminessence Unscented Tealight candles in the 16 pack, the white ones. Okay? Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.